Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to make profile private on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy, and as you can see your settings are divided into several sections. You want to find the section that's called privacy and safety. Now let's go to audience and tagging over here, and as you can see at the very top of your page you should see this option that's called protect your posts. So that's basically a feature that is responsible for making your account private, and you have to turn this on. As you can see, I have already done that. My account is already private. And additionally, some information: when your profile is private, only your current followers will be able to see your posts, whatever that you post on X, and any new people that want to follow you on X, they will have to send you follower requests that you must manually accept or decline. So there is dedicated page on X where you can do that. So type your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and now in this menu you can see different functions, different sections. You want to tap on follower requests. And as you can see here, you have some follower requests if you have one. From here you can accept it or decline it. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.